Good morning students, now it's time for the English grammar class and today we'll be starting a new chapter, chapter 6, pronouns. So what is called pronoun? Words that are used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. What are pronouns? The words that are used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. So like if I tell you a sentence, Ram is a boy, Ram studies in class 3. Ram is a good boy. Ram loves to play cricket. Ram loves to eat chocolates. So in each and every sentence, we don't use the same word Ram, 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 Ram. So instead of Ram, like Ram is a boy. He studies in class 3. He loves to eat chocolates, like this. So instead of that word Ram, we are using the word he. So this he word, in the place of noun, I am using the word he. This is called pronoun. Again I am repeating with an example, like Ram is a boy. Ram studies in class 3. Ram likes to eat chocolates. Ram loves to play football. So in each and every sentence I am using the word, I am repeating the word Ram, Ram, Ram. So instead of this Ram, it doesn't sound nice. So but instead of this word Ram, in the second or the third sentence, if we use the word he, that means it sounds good, and the word in the place of noun, the word that we are using is known as pronoun. So again I'm telling you, words that are used in the place of nouns are called pronouns. Pronouns are of different types: personal and possessive pronoun. So pronouns are of different types. There are two types of personal and possessive. So what is personal pronouns? Pronouns that refer to a person, group or thing are called personal pronouns. Pronouns that refer to a person, group or thing are called personal pronouns. Like I, me, he, she, him and her are singular personal pronouns. Like I means it is indicating an individual. I, me, he, she, him and her, they are singular personal pronouns. We, next, we, us, they and them are plural personal pronouns. Again I am repeating, we, us, they and them are plural personal pronouns. That means they refer to a group, and such words that refer to a group are plural personal pronouns. You is considered, now remember the word you, it is considered as singular as well as plural personal pronoun. The word you is considered as singular as well as plural personal pronoun. Number 4. It is a personal pronoun used for things or animals. So again I am repeating, I, me, he, she, him and her are singular personal pronouns, whereas we, us, they and them are plural personal pronouns. Like Sita, Ram, Shyam and Hari went to the market. Sita, Shyam, Ram, Hari, they bought chocolate. So instead of these names, we tell they bought chocolate. Sita, Ram, Hari, Shyam, they went to the market, they bought chocolates. So they are plural personal pronouns. You is considered as singular as well as plural personal pronoun. It is a personal pronoun used for things or animals. Now look at the chart. First person, second person, third person. This is subject and this is object. In the first person, the singular I, me, I, and plural will be we. The second person, you. The third person singular will be he, she, it, and plural will be they. The third person, he, she, it, and the plural is they. Now object in the first person is me, us. In the second person's you, and in third person him. Singular is him, her, it, and plural is them. I, he, she, you, we, and they are subject pronouns. They are the doer, means they do all this. They are the doer, means the work that is done by the person. This is, they are the doer. Me, him, her, us, and them are object pronouns. They are the receiver. I, he, she, you, we, and they are subject pronouns. They are the doer. That means the work that is done by the person, they are the doer. And me, him, her, us, and them are the object pronouns. They are the receiver. Now, what is possessive pronouns? Pronouns which indicate that something belongs to someone are called possessive pronouns. Repeating, pronouns which indicate that something belongs to someone are called possessive pronouns. So what is possessive pronouns? Something that belongs to someone. That thing is that person's possession. So that is called possessive pronoun. My, mine, our, ours, its, his, her, hers, their, theirs, your, and yours are possessive pronouns. Again I am repeating. My, mine, our, ours, its, his, her, hers, their, theirs, your, and yours are possessive pronouns. Like, this is my book. This book is theirs. This house is their house. This is her. So that particular thing belongs to that particular person. So it is known as possessive pronoun. My, her, his, mine, mine, hers, theirs, yours, ours, and his are usually placed at the end of a sentence. This is very important. Listen once again. Mine, hers, theirs, yours, ours, and his are usually they are placed at the end of the sentence. My, her, his, their, your, our, and its are usually placed at the beginning or middle of a sentence. So the words like my, pronouns like my, her, his, their, your, our, and its, they are the possessive pronouns, and they usually placed at the middle or at the beginning of the sentence. Now let's do the exercise. Circle the pronouns, write S for each subject pronoun and O for object pronoun. Can Sneha help us? Us is what? Us is the object pronoun. So write down O over here. Madonna is a singer. She sings pop songs. So here she is what? She is the subject pronoun. Next, Winnie and Rina are best friends. They play every day. So here what they is what? It is a subject pronoun. They are the doer. So it is, you have to write it down S. It is a subject pronoun. My mother and I play chess. We play other games too. So here I they, we, I and we, it is what? It is a subject pronoun. So write down S in the bracket. Next, King Akbar was a Mughal. He ruled for many years. So the word he is subject pronoun. So write S in the bracket. The tiger is a ferocious animal. Keep away from it. It is what? It is the subject pronoun. My name is Lina. I am a student of Woodstock School. So here I is the subject pronoun. So put S in the bracket. The girl slipped on the wet floor. The children laughed at her. So her here is the object pronoun. So write down O in the bracket. My father told me to return home soon. So here me is the object pronoun, and so put O in the bracket. Replace the underlined nouns with pronouns and rewrite the sentence. I like mangoes. Mangoes are juicy. So instead of mangoes, what? They are, it's a thing, so write down they. They are juicy. Sarah and Tara are polite girls. The teachers like Sarah and Tara. So instead of Sarah and Tara, you have to Sarah and Tara are polite girls. The teachers like them. Mona is a girl. Mona is 10 years old. I like Mona. Mona is a girl. Mona, it's the name of a girl. So she's 10 years old. I like her. She is a girl. So you have to write down her. Simi saw Terry. Simi called out to Terry. So Simi saw Terry. Simi, it's the name of a girl. She called out to him. Terry, it's the name of a boy. So write down him. Simi called out to him. My aunt has a dog. The dog is very friendly. My aunt has a dog. It is very friendly. It is used in place of a thing or a animal. Joy and Danny play football. Joy and Danny play every day. Joy and Danny play football. They play every day. Instead of Joy and Danny, they play every day. Here are some pretty flowers. Do you like the flowers? Here are some pretty flowers. Do you like them? Or do you like it? Oh, sorry, instead of flowers. Here are some pretty flowers. Do you like it? Instead of flowers, you have to put it. Write the possessive pronoun for each of the following. I will be mine. They will be their or theirs. You will be your or yours. We will be our or ours. She will be his, her or hers. She will be her or hers. He will be his. Again, I, mine. They, their or theirs. You will be your or yours. We will be our or ours. She will be her or hers. He will be his. Fill in the blanks with correct possessive pronoun. This umbrella belongs to me. This umbrella is mine. This house does not belong to us. It is not ours. It belongs to them. It is theirs. Theirs. Give the book to her. This book is. Give the book to her. This book is hers. You are a tall man. This long pants must be yours. Simi showed me her house. That house is hers. Simi showed me her house. That house is hers. Simi showed me her house. That house is hers. So we have finished this chapter 6 pronoun. I have given you the worksheet. Look at the worksheet, understand it, and copy in your notebook. Thank you.